I burned a hole in my shirt.
I burned a hole in my shirt.
I got a new phone as a gift.
I got a new phone as a gift.
I spilled coffee on my shirt.
I spilled coffee on my shirt.
I can't button this shirt.
I can't button this shirt.
I've gained so much weight.
I've gained so much weight.
This soup is so spicy.
This soup is so spicy.
Which one should I wear?
Which one should I wear?
Love yourself first.
Love yourself first.
Press the button to go up.
Press the button to go up.
He brought a tray of cookies to the party.
He brought a tray of cookies to the party.
I have nothing to wear.
I have nothing to wear.
Put sunscreen all over your body.
Put sunscreen all over your body.
Let's light the fireworks.
Let's light the fireworks.
Don't touch the socket.
Don't touch the socket.
I'm picking out some clothes.
I'm picking out some clothes.
It's freezing in this house.
It's freezing in this house.
Hang the blanket outside to dry.
Hang the blanket outside to dry.
Change in the fitting room.
Change in the fitting room.
I need to reorganize my closet.
I need to reorganize my closet.
Wipe the sweat off your face.
Wipe the sweat off your face.
That dress looks amazing.
That dress looks amazing.
It's way too hot today.
It's way too hot today.
I want to learn how to embroider.
I want to learn how to embroider.
This sweater keeps me warm.
This sweater keeps me warm.
I slipped into a puddle.
I slipped into a puddle.
Grab your stuff from the locker.
Grab your stuff from the locker.
Pump up the tire.
Pump up the tire.
I need to do the laundry.
I need to do the laundry.
Use the face roller.
Use the face roller.
I had my makeup done at the salon.
I had my makeup done at the salon.
The sink is clogged again.
The sink is clogged again.
Can you take out the trash?
Can you take out the trash?
Come on in.
Come on in.
What's this pill made of?
What's this pill made of?
My eyes are tired.
My eyes are tired.
I'm filing my nails.
I'm filing my nails.
I'm going on a date tonight.
I'm going on a date tonight.
Look at all these soap bubbles.
Look at all these soap bubbles.
Pack the box carefully.
Pack the box carefully.
I'm pouring water from the cooler.
I'm pouring water from the cooler. Let's plant a tree in the yard.
Let's plant a tree in the yard.
I'm soaking my feet.
I'm soaking my feet.
I catch rain from the ceiling.
I catch rain from the ceiling.
Turn on the diffuser.
Turn on the diffuser.
I had breakfast in bed.
I had breakfast in bed. Let's arrange the flowers in a vase.
Let's arrange the flowers in a vase.
He gave me a huge bouquet of flowers.
He gave me a huge bouquet of flowers.
I'll water the plants.
I'll water the plants.
Don't touch the cactus.
Don't touch the cactus.
How much is this orchid?
How much is this orchid?
I caught a cold.
I caught a cold.
I just bought a new microwave.
I just bought a new microwave.
This fan feels so good.
This fan feels so good.
He gives a bribe.
He gives a bribe.
I eat noodles with chopsticks.
I eat noodles with chopsticks.
This soup is too salty.
This soup is too salty.
The food smells amazing.
The food smells amazing.
Let's order takeout tonight.
Let's order takeout tonight.
Here, try a bite.
Here, try a bite.
The roast turkey smells delicious.
The roast turkey smells delicious.
The watermelon is very sweet.
The watermelon is very sweet.
I just bought a basket of bread.
I just bought a basket of bread.
She's pickling vegetables.
She's pickling vegetables.
Don't forget your 3D glasses.
Don't forget your 3D glasses.
She likes grapes.
She likes grapes.
She's breastfeeding the baby.
She's breastfeeding the baby.
I did my makeup before work.
I did my makeup before work.
Put on some eye masks.
Put on some eye masks.
Spray deodorizer in the shoes.
Spray deodorizer in the shoes.
Let's arm wrestle.
Let's arm wrestle.
She is struggling with the robber.
She is struggling with the robber.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Do you have this in a larger size?
This is on sale.
This is on sale.
Let me put sunscreen on you.
Let me put sunscreen on you.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Check out this jewelry.
Check out this jewelry.
I'm swamped with work.
I'm swamped with work.
We're harvesting pumpkins.
We're harvesting pumpkins.
Deadline is tomorrow.
Deadline is tomorrow.
This month has 31 days.
This month has 31 days.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm stuck in traffic.
Park the bike by the fence.
Park the bike by the fence.
I'm cooking a new dish.
I'm cooking a new dish.
I don't feel like eating.
I don't feel like eating.
She's a famous person.
She's a famous person.
I blame myself for being late.
I blame myself for being late.
I want to break up.
I want to break up.
I lost a lot of weight.
I lost a lot of weight.
I'm overly worried.
I'm overly worried.
I'm scared of getting shots.
I'm scared of getting shots.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
My fingers are frostbitten.
My fingers are frostbitten.
She's in a coma.
She's in a coma.
I'm addicted to my phone.
I'm addicted to my phone.
The mailman delivered the letters.
The mailman delivered the letters.
I need some painkillers.
I need some painkillers.
I'm recording a voice message.
I'm recording a voice message.
I just got 100 likes.
I just got 100 likes.
I hit my head on the door.
I hit my head on the door.
Scratch that itch.
Scratch that itch.